Does your garbage disposal smell kind of funky? Is it giving you the really weird kind of smell and it smells kind of nasty when you walk by? Today we're going to be looking at the disposable cleaner, the citrus scent. I've been seeing this stuff on TV and the internet and all that stuff, so I was going to check this out and let you know how it really works. All right, so if your garbage disposal smells kind of weird, funky, this might be something for you. So what this does is it cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects. So it gets through, it supposedly gets through the entire garbage disposal system itself, safe for septic and all that other stuff. It's supposed to get through the entire disposal where other cleaners don't, okay, because it foams up and does all that stuff. But if you've tried to put in the dishwashing liquid and run the disposal and it still kind of stinks, this might help you out. Let's see how it works. All right, so this is supposed to be a 1-year supply, and this has 24 tablets. And I'll leave a link in the description below on getting this from Amazon. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, so we open up this thing here and see all the packets here. And it comes with a pretty nice little note. Thanks for giving our small family-run business a shot. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and grab a couple of these. I like how they come individually packed. That's pretty cool. First thing you want to do is you want to ensure the disposal is empty. Run a full stream of hot water for 1 minute, then reduce to a slow trickle. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the water's run hot. And this is not meant to fix a clogged drain. This is meant to refresh. It's meant to clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect from all that stuff. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel because in the next video, I'll show you how to unclog one of these with an awesome new product. Okay, so water's running hot for 1 minute. All right, so while we're waiting, you'll see in this picture how it shows the junked up garbage disposal here, and then after, how clean it is. It's been 1 minute. Let's go ahead and put this in. So we're going to reduce this to a trickle, it says. Less than the width of a pencil. Okay, so this looks like less than the width of a pencil. For single basin sinks, turn the faucet away from the drain. For double basin sinks, run the water in the non-disposal drain to help contain foam within the disposal. Okay, so it says put it in for double basins. That's about as close as I'm gonna get. All right. Okay, so unwrap and place 1 tablet fully inside the disposal. So use 2 tablets for first cleaning or heavy residue, okay, if it stinks real bad, I guess. Then run the disposal for 1 minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and put 2 tablets and you put it inside the thing. If foam rises into the sink, continue running the disposal and water until the foam drains. Rinse any remaining foam from the sink and turn off the disposal. All right, so this is what the tablets look like. I guess you should wear gloves and stuff, but these are what they look like. So we'll take 2, we'll dump them in here. Okay. And then we're gonna run the disposal for a minute. All right, it ran for 1 minute. You saw that some of that stuff spit out and stuff like that, foamed up a little bit, and that's it. Let's go ahead and rinse this thing off. And let's take the smell test. it smells like nothing. So that seems pretty good. It doesn't smell like citrus. It doesn't smell like anything now after, but it does seem to be running fine. But that's probably because I ran it for a minute. Well, there you have it, guys. The active citrus scent disposal cleaner works. So far so good. We'll do a follow-up video later. Leave me a comment below to remind me. And thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. I'll leave the link in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and make sure you check out this next video. And we'll see you there. Peace.